This is Tracey from GiftBasketAppeal with a quick and easy tip for using your scraps. I'm going to be making a pinwheel, so let's get started. So I went on Pinterest and I was looking for some ideas for that you can do with small pieces of paper that would be perfect for using up your stash. And I saw that they had these cute little pinwheels. And I thought, you know what? I can do that using smaller bits and pieces of paper from my stash, and it's a great way to recycle what you already have. And so with this idea, I remember doing this as a kid, and I'm not sure if you remember this as well. It's very simple. You're going to need a square piece of paper, and this is 2.5 square. Okay, so each side is 2.5 inches. If you want it to be larger, you can do it larger as well. So all you're going to do is you're going to cut the corners into the center, but you're not going to go all the way to the center. You're just going to leave that little bit of space right there. And I'm just eyeballing it so they don't exactly meet up. So each of those 4 corners. And I could make a bunch of these. Okay, so once you have that, that's what it should look like. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to take each of those, and let's put some glue on there. I'm going to use my art glitter glue, but I'm also going to use a little bit of this adhesive tape, because the art glitter glue is going to take a little bit longer. And you want those edges to be held down. Okay, so I'm going to just put a little bit of this on here to help give that extra adhesive. Okay, let's put a little bit right there. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to fold down each side. And I love the art glitter glue. It dries fast and clear, but I need to have just a little bit of this just to save time during filming. All right, so every other corner. So you're going to skip this corner right here, and you're going to go to this one and fold that one down too. And so if you have a little tool that you want to use to hold that down, since this is so small, I'm just going to use this little tool right here to hold it down just a little bit. So I'm just putting these into the center there. Okay, I'm going to fold this one down too. Right to the center, and you see how you're skipping one and going to the next one. So basically 4 of these are going to be folded down, and this one I may have used just a little bit of glue on it. That's okay. And then this last one right there. And look how easy that was. Now I'm going to drop a little pearl. See, I don't really mind what that center part looks like, but I need to drop something into the middle of that. So I'm going to use one of my adhesive pearls, but I did put some glue there. And I'm going to just drop that right into the center. It's amazing how those things you used to do as a kid comes right back at you. Some things just never go out of style. And so look how quick and easy that was. This is great for using your 2-sided paper. And so I'm just going to let that dry a little bit. And I'm not worried about the glue sticking out around the edges. It'll dry clear. Let me show you the other one that I did. This can be another one of those crafts that are really addicting. I think this would be nice for like a party. I've seen people put these on straws as well. Here's a larger one that I did. This is a 3x3 square piece of paper, but a great way to use up that double-sided paper, and super easy. So I just wanted to come on and show you this real quick because I know I've been using a lot of my scraps and I wanted to share this with you. So give this a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.